evening I go to talk about my best and only friends. My best and only friends, Manuel Domingo Cuello Martinez. He is 30 years old. He really likes his teaching work, in which he works with his home with small children. He is a message teacher and wonderful person. I know him. I admire him a lot. She likes animals, for example, dog. He likes to help people with their English homework because Manuel is very good with that language. He likes to listen to music and watch series on Netflix. She likes dances in club and talk to me. I love him very much. He dislikes betrayal, lies, or hypocrisy. Manuel has a love personality, and now, in this time, he can express his true personality. That when he was a child, he could because he lacked empathy. From this relativity, that's why it's not like that anymore, and that's it why in an approach of him, and I never tired of feeling you that there achieved everything he had ought to do. He can change the most negative situation for a positive one used by smiling. And what he cannot, and I think I could never change society with its imagination toward people like him. But he doesn't scare because he's a strong person. Thank you so much.